Hello everyone. Welcome to Creation Tech. Today I will show you how to create a logo. Your adaptability will reflect your confidence in your work. Today I will show you how to create a logo very easily. First, I will draw a thick line using the rectangle tool. It's nice. Then copy, paste, and Ctrl+D to group. Now, create a rectangle again with the rectangle tool. Then we will make a big circle with the ellipse tool, through which our task is to cut two sides from the top of the rectangle. Now working on Set Builder tool. With all that's unnecessary, we can transform it to reflect and then copy it. A little adjust and group. Create a rectangle with the rectangle tool, then adjust a bit with the direct selection tool. Then copy and adjust. Now a large rating with the straight star tool. First step done. Now we'll create a circle with the ellipse tool. Copy and paste it. I've given it using Anna's shortcut tool. Next, we will use the Shape Builder tool and then color. Now, we will create a square and use the type on path on this square and adjust it very well, which will help you increase the efficiency as well as the adaptability of your work. For two writings, we will use two circles, one writing on the inner side and the other on the outer side. The logo is ready. You can notice a little change in the type of writing font or logo without paying attention to it. You can make everything exactly by locking on the logo. Thank you for being with us. Wishing you all the best for your future success.